Oh shit! Just a little bit of Wolfpack wrestling practice before June 20th. Oh shit!
I'm meaning to take your legs out. Don't run as fast. Do it again. Try.
You gotta go like.
When you did that shit. Don't hit the thing either. See how I'm trying to scoop you up?
Yeah.
It won't hurt as bad if I get to scoop.
No, it hurts pretty bad.
Try it one more time, like slow though. You're running too fast at me.
Dude, practice. Progress.
That's why. And we're gonna call it skanky legs.
Switch in music, Jake. 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 Oh shit. Dude, my turn. I don't do it on. Jake, you film. Jake, you film.
Jigster the wolf.
It's my morning set, nigga. Make sure.
Boom! Hit by Jigster, the wicked fucking clown. Here he goes again. Boom!
Tripling was hard that time.
It don't matter if we talk, we're just watching. Trevor's a nigger, you can barely see him. Boom! I'm getting up here with y'all.
Shit. Alright, ready? Do it again.
Alright, me and Trevor. Video.
I still gotta do my moveset, man.
Do your moveset now. I got that.
Okay.
Trevor got fucked up. Alright, video.
Huh? We are rolling. Hey, you want me to get on trampoline?
No, stay out there. Make sure you do it though.
Whose move we doing first? The slanky leg.
Skanky leg. Jigster the wolf. I mean, Jigster the wolf. Fuck Jigster. Boom. You dropped it.
Kofi Kingston. That's how you know you messed up. When you go for a leg drop and your friend does the same thing and you get kicked in the nuts.
Where you going?
Oh, drop zone. Oh. Leg drop. Oh, to the anus. Oh, and that one. Hey. Do the slams, Trevor, or can you only do that on me?
What?
Slams. Do the slams.
You want me to slam it?
Practice, yeah. Chicken wing that bitch.
Hey, we can do stuff like that too. Like I just did. Do your move.
What song slam? You know that? Huh? What song slam? What?
He can't pick him up. Fall on your ass. Oh, he takes advantage. German suplex. Do a German suplex. I want to see someone do a German suplex. Oh, the power of Jigster. Oh, and the leg drop.
Are you ready?
Razor blade. Oh.
quit spear.
Oh! Fail! He's back for blood. Hey, someone take this.
Dude, we can talk out loud. Let's just start giving ideas. Let's practice.
I'm gonna swing across the rope, alright? You gotta let me kind of like figure it out. So come at me slow. I'm gonna pick you up by your legs.
That's kind of like my move, man.
You ready?
Except I pick you up by your face.
No. Just. Alright, okay.
What's that move gonna be called?
The jig's out.
We gotta make it better. This is a replay of my move. Do it again.
The wolf out.
The wolf out.
See the anus? Oh! Hey, hey, hey. The power slam. Power slam.
No. Beast mode slam.
No, I'm coming up with it.
Don't fall on your ass.
Give me doing this shit. Give me doing this shit.
No.
450 splash right
I can
there.
do it on my knees too.
Probably never going to be used in Wolfpack Wrestling. Because if he uses it on Jake, Jake will easily kick him in the face. If he uses it on me, I'm going to move. And if he uses it on Dylan, he's just going to bounce off.